to be making pasta dough on page 42. Okay. See if I can do the one-hand cracker maroo. Perfect, but let's try again. Try this. I have tried it before. I've never been successful. Maybe we can do it this time. I'm just gonna break it in half. Wait, it's working. All right, 1 egg yolk. Probably should have made that crevice a little bigger. Oh no, it cracked. No, that's the best I got. Oh, I actually did. This is not working out perfectly. All right, knead the dough for 10 minutes. Just wash my hands. I do not have a pasta roller, unfortunately. Fortunately, it will be better than any. I will be better than any pasta roller you have ever seen. She left the flour out. Okay. Just hands together on the rolling pin. Again. Rub it on the table some. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. There we go. Okay, so here's the first one. Here's the second one. There you go.